Hello everyone. In this video we are discussing about input function. Python input function is used to take user input. By default, it returns the user input in form of a string. Let's understand input function by some examples. I want to taking the name and age of the user as input and printing it. By default, input returns a string. So the name and age will be stored as strings. Taking name of the user as input and storing it name variable. And you can see output. Now I fill name and age. So they print correctly name and age. Now let's see second example. I want to taking two integers from users and adding them. To take integer input we will be using int along with Python input. Taking number 1 from user as int. Taking number 2 from user as int. And then adding num1 and num2 and storing them in variable addition. And print the sum of the two given numbers is format addition. And you can see output. Now I enter two numbers and enter. So they print the sum of the two given numbers is 30 is correctly. I hope you understand about input function. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.